Large plump scallops perfectly seared in a hot skillet, served with a drizzle of lemony tarragon beurre blanc. Get your skillet hot, because today we're cooking like a chef and making seared scallops with tarragon beurre blanc. You're at a fancy restaurant, you just ordered scallops, the waiter brings them to the table and you get goosebumps. You're like, wow, does this ever look delicious, but I'd never be able to make that at home? We're about to change all that. I'm going to show you how to make restaurant-worthy scallops really easy. Before I start, one thing to mention, it only takes scallops about 5 minutes to cook. So for this story, I want to do the prep work for a vegetable side dish, plus make a beurre blanc before the scallops even hit the pan. Let's start with the prep work on that veggie side dish. Preparing fresh veggies, 1 bunch of asparagus sliced into chunks, freshly shucked peas. I also have baby bok choy. I'm julienning the bok choy. I'm mixing it all together in a bowl. Look how fresh and wonderful this looks. Then next to stovetop, we're gonna have a knob or 2 of butter, a diced shallot, some honey, an ounce of seasoned rice wine vinegar, and a lemon. Again, once we sear the scallops, I'll be cooking that veg dish up really quick. So now we're all set with the vegetables. How about we make a sauce to go with a beurre blanc with tarragon? 2 shallots diced into a small saucepan. We're gonna also add 1/2 cup of dry white wine, 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar. We're gonna stir, then bring that mixture to a boil. Reduce to simmer and cook until the liquid is reduced by half. We're gonna strain the liquid, then return 3 tablespoons to the pan, place it onto low heat. Now we're gonna whisk in a whole mess of butter. Let's start with 1 tablespoon, whisk it in, and we continue whisking in 8 tablespoons of butter. You gotta whisk vigorously to emulsify. After the last tablespoon of butter is mixed in, we're gonna bring the pot off of the heat, season with a sprinkle of kosher salt, do a little squeeze of lemon, then we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh tarragon. You can add a bit of wrap flush to the top surface of the sauce and then set it to the side for a bit. Let's say you don't like fresh tarragon, you can make a beurre blanc using chives or dill or parsley or a combination of your favorite herbs. So we have the veggies prepped, we've just made the sauce, here comes the scallops. For this recipe, we're crafting for 2 guests. I'm using 5 large scallops. If you're gonna do more, as in serving more guests, just do the scallops in 2 batches. We don't want you overcrowding the skillet. Let me show you. We're gonna start by placing a large cast iron skillet on stovetop over medium-high heat. Pro tip, you can use a stainless steel pan as well, but do not try this recipe with a coated or non-stick pan. The scallops will never sear and you're gonna be disappointed. So, while the skillet comes to temperature, we're gonna blot our scallops on paper towels. This is a key step. Wet scallops won't sear either, so blot them dry. We're then gonna season with a sprinkle of kosher salt and black pepper. Now over to stovetop. When the pan is hot, we're adding 2 tablespoons of an oil with a high smoke point, like vegetable oil or canola oil or avocado oil. As soon as the oil is hot, we add the scallops into the skillet. Again, give them room within. After placing the scallops into the skillet, do a sprinkle of kosher salt and black pepper. Now leave the scallops undisturbed. Do not touch them for 3 minutes. They'll sear perfectly. Now we head back to stovetop for the flip. Look how gorgeous that sear is. We're gonna do the flip side, cook undisturbed for 2 minutes more. Next, let's transfer those scallops to a side plate and time to flash cook those veggies. Large skillet on stovetop, moderate heat. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 shallot finely minced. Cook for about 30 seconds. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 ounce of seasoned rice wine vinegar. Add the veggies in. You can stir or move them about in the pan until they wilt a little bit. Do salt, pepper, a squeeze of lemon. Veggies should still be crisp when you take them off the stove. Might look fancy, but really, this meal is totally chill. So to serve, I do a couple of spoonfuls of those beautiful vegetables. Then scallops go onto the dinner plate. I'm serving 5 per guest. Then the tarragon beurre blanc, which by the way is also quite heavenly with the veggies too. Who knew cooking like a chef would be this easy? We did. That's why we just posted the full recipe at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this recipe and tons more on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. Drop us comments, give us a thumbs up. And then finally, when seared scallops are this sensational, take a picture of them, post them on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Seared scallops with tarragon beurre blanc. No need for a doggy bag. There will be no leftovers. So delicious. Excuse me, do you have a name of the chef that prepared these?